In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create date and time properties in Hubspot. This is an essential skill for optimizing your CRM workflow, making sure your data is not only accurate, but also easy to manage and retrieve. Let's walk through this process together step by step, ensuring that you have a clear understanding of how it all works. First up, you're going to want to navigate to the Properties section in your Hubspot account. Start by clicking on the Settings icon, recognizable as the gear icon, located on the top navigation bar of your Hubspot interface. Once in the Settings area, turn your attention to the left sidebar menu where you'll find the Properties section. Click on it, and this will bring you to the area where you can manage and create your properties. Now that you're in the Properties section, it's time to create a new property. Look for the Create Property button and give it a click. This is where you'll start defining the specifics of the property you wish to create. The next step is to define the property details. Decide first on the object for which you want to create the property. This could be contact, company, deal, or any other object available to you. After you've selected the appropriate object, choose the group where the property will be housed. This helps in keeping your properties organized. When you're ready to proceed, provide a clear and descriptive label for your property. Labels like meeting date and time or follow-up date work well to maintain clarity and prevent future confusion. Moving on, you'll need to select the field type for your new property. Navigate to the Field Type tab and select Date and Time Picker from the drop-down menu. This selection enables you to choose both a date from a calendar and a time from a drop-down box, making data entry straightforward and efficient. Now let's look at optional configurations. You have the option to show the date and time with relative time adjustments, which can display information like 2 days ago. Remember, this setting only affects how the data is displayed and does not change the stored value. Additionally, if required, you can set property rules or validation parameters to ensure data integrity. Finally, to wrap up creating your property, just click Create or Save. This action will finalize the process, adding the new date and time property to your selected object. And that's it. You've successfully created a date and time property in HubSpot. Following these instructions will ensure that your CRM is set up to capture time-based data accurately, which is invaluable for follow-ups and meeting scheduling. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. As always, feel free to revisit any part of the process to hone your HubSpot skills. Thanks for joining us and see you in the next video.